This type of error occurs in the device when you are trying to apply a transition effect in between two media files, and also when one or two of the clip is short. Sometimes it does not occur when one of the clip is an image. So this clip is a media file. The first one and the second one is a video clip. This is another one, it's also a video clip. You can see the error. This also is a video clip. You can see that the transition effect will not work here. Yes, you just click on one, it's not work. But there are some transition effects that usually work, but not all of them. There are some that will just work and maybe just compatible with it, but some other ones will not work. For example, 3D, it shows that it is working here, but in some other cases it will not work. For this one too will work. Text transitions too will work for it. You can see now the text transition is working for it. Okay. But what if you want to use other transitions apart from all these ones? That's what I want to show you in this video. So we are trying to check the Venetian effect now. It's not working. It's bringing that same error. So I deleted the clip. After deleting the clip, you now input a media file as an image, as a clip. You input a clip as an image. Then you apply the transition effect. Yes, you can see that the transition effect now works. Yes, you can see the icon of the transition effect. It's there. So you now delete. You can set the time. You can set it, the timing of the effect. So now delete the clip the image that we inputted as a media. Then you now put the original media file you want to be there, the original video. You now input it there. Yes, you can see that the transition effect has worked. The Venetian transition is already there. You can see the effect. We can also try for that ones also, like the first one. You can just put it there. You can apply the same method for it, and delete this clip. You input the image as the background, but for this case it will not work because it's the first one. It's the first one. It will not work in this case. Let's see. you can see that. Yes. So now I put the video file. I want to copy the one I did, like the way I did it before at the back. So let's import the video clip. You can see that the transition effect did not work in this case because it's at the front. So at the front, in this case, I'm going to input an image clip in between it. Consider it's not working. You can see the sign there that it's not working. The transition effect cannot be applied there. So for this case now, okay, we still get back to that. For this one, there's a video clip and image clip there. That's why the transition effect will work. A video clip and image clip. You can see that the transition effect works there because there are two different clips. For this one also, it also works. There's an image clip and video clip there. It will work also. You can see the icon of the transition effect. So how then are we going to solve this error at the first place now? We go to, still making the same error, we go to our media and input a image clip there. Any image, you can use any image as far as we delete it back. So we make sure we put the transition effect at the first space at the left hand side of the image clip we put in. You can use any effect that we want, transition effect that we use, it will work. And it also show in the export, in the exported video we do, which is show there. So you can now go on and delete this clip now. You can see that the transition effect work. It is already, the icon is there. It will be at the first one, at the one at the left hand side. So when we delete it, you can see the transition effect is still there, and it's working. You can see the screen. So you can see that the error has been fixed now. The transition effect will also show in the exported video, and it's not changed. It's not hang in any way. You can see the effect it's also showing. So when we export the video, the effect, transition effect that was there will still be there. It cannot affect anything. It will also show.
Hey, if my video has helped you in one way or the other, let me know by liking it and subscribing to my channel. You can also leave your comments below. If you want to learn more amazing things about your Android mobile, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and you won't miss anything.